Talk about responsive. Talk about great service. I'm going to share with you yet another surprise, and I'm going to do it via Premiere. So stay tuned to my Instagram account. All right, everybody, welcome back to the channel. FNR here. This is it. This is the day where we're taking my 2020 Street Glide CVO to get all of those upgrades professionally installed. So if you're new here, in my last several videos, I've been teeing this up and I've been talking about this for the last several weeks, and we're finally here. In this video, I'm going to show you finally who I am taking the bike to do all this work. I'm super excited to take you there with me. We're going to talk about why I chose this place. We're going to talk about what they're going to do to the bike. We're going to talk about what differentiates this place from any of the other ones that I've considered. Again, if you're new to the channel, I'm FNR. On this channel, I focus on motovlogs, ride videos, ride reviews, all on my 2020 Street Glide CVO that you see right there. I fly a DJI Mavic 2 drone, offering cinematic drone footage on just about every ride that I take you with me across this great state of New Jersey. I feature ride videos, upgrades to this bike, to any other bikes. We've got an awesome crew that has a ton of bikes that we also bring to you on this channel. So do me a favor, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that bell notification so you can be reminded of future content. So I'm actually starting this video the day prior to me taking the bike over to this place, primarily because I'm going really early in the morning and there is a lot of rain in the forecast for tomorrow. Secondly, I also wanted to give you the last view, the last sound of the bike as it stands today. As a quick recap, this has jackpot headers, Chromeworks, the best exhaust in the business, 4.5-inch exhaust, and it has a Screaming Eagle tuner, still all under warranty. And I think the bike obviously operates awesome. I love the power delivery of the bike. I love the way this bike rides, but obviously it's time for an upgrade. And this is going to be a complete stage 2 that this shop is going to do on the bike with all of the parts that I've shown in the prior videos. So I'm going to give you the last cold start of the bike as it stands today, and then we're going to take it for a spin. And I'm not going to be talking on the ride, but I want you to hear it. You're going to see the acceleration. Again, this is the last ride I'm taking on this bike as it stands today. Next time you see this bike, and I stress this bike, on the channel, it'll have been completely upgraded to a full stage 2 and a bunch of other goodies that I've shown you on my prior video. I'll leave it up here if you're interested in seeing all of the upgrades that we're going to do to the bike. So I wanted you to hear it one last time as it stands today with the stage 1 and the awesome sound that this Chromeworks pipe make already as it is, and it's going to sound even better once we're done with the stage 2. So we're going to take you on a quick ride now, just so that you can hear and see the bike, how it operates on this as a stage 1, and then I'm going to come back and we're going to switch to tomorrow, even though it's today. And I'm going to take you with me on the trip. I'm going to show you how I'm loading the bike, where I'm taking the bike, how I'm taking the bike. And then once we get there, you're going to finally get a chance to see. So you're going to want to stick around this video all the way to the end, where I finally took this bike. And boy, am I excited to share that with all of you. And even more excited to finally get all this work done to the bike. All right, so let's go for a quick ride. right, so there you have it. Last time on my 2020 Street Glide CVO, with a stage 1. All right, so I'm gonna put it away. I'm gonna start getting everything ready. And next time you'll see it, you'll see this bad boy on its way to where we're gonna get the upgrades installed. Let's go there now. All right, good morning. We are ready to go. Bike's ready to get loaded. Got the trailer ready. This is an extra little ramp so that it minimizes the angle and the bike doesn't bottom out. Check out all the goodies. Yeah, we got the straps tied down the bike. I'll show you that here in a second. All right, bike is loaded. You hear that sound? That's the auto leveling suspension on the truck. One of the best features, I think. No matter what you put back here, it auto levels. And by the way, in case you weren't aware, you've got to put the motorcycle in transport mode. The way you do that here is you hit this switch on, let it cycle, shut this off, and then you hit both signals. And then you can see right there, it's on transport mode. And I had to grab the camera, but basically I hit both turn signals at the same time. That puts it into transport mode. Now we strap it down, we're ready to go. All right, we got our iced coffee ready to go. Bike is loaded. Let's go. All right, I'll catch you on the road. We are on the road. This is Fine Ride.
Hello.
So where we're headed? I don't know. We're gonna find out soon. I am excited to finally share this awesome collaboration. The cool thing is it was supposed to be raining and cloudy, and the weather seems to be holding up. I've got the drone with me, and hopefully I'll be able to launch it when I get there as I unveil this awesome place that I'm collaborating with. Bike looks awesome back there, nice and sturdy on that trailer. We'll see you soon. Nice little tunnel on the way to, I don't know, where are we going? Where are we going? I have no idea. That is right, ladies and gentlemen. We are collaborating with Get Lowered. There's Mike in there. Obviously, I've known this for a while, and I'm just super excited to finally be here. Mike's getting it set up here. We're gonna get the bike unloaded. We're gonna go in there, take out all the parts, and I'm just super excited to partner with Mike and Get Lowered. I'm gonna start unloading the bike here, and then after I unload the bike, I'm gonna show you around the shop for a little bit. And then on the way back, I'm going to talk to you about why I ultimately decided to collaborate with Mike and Get Lowered, and wrap up the video. So stay tuned. All right, everybody. So we are in the shop. Check out this 2022 ST. Got some amazing bikes here. Mike's doing his magic. He's got a bike there, getting it tuned. We got my 2020 Street Glide CVO right there, ready to get in here. And they're gonna do the goods. All right, all the goodies are there. We got some Flying Ride swag. Check out this, all the awesome stuff they got here in the shop. Get some swag. That's right. Hard work. Starting up some bikes in there. Awesome place, man. I am so excited. I can't wait for them to finish the work on the bike. And we've got a few little surprises that are not necessarily shown here. You're gonna want to stay tuned. All right, so there you have it. I have dropped off my 2020 Street Glide CVO at Get Lowered. I am pumped and excited about this collaboration. He's gonna install all of those goodies that you saw there a second ago in the video, and he's gonna install some additional goodies that are not featured in the video. So again, you're gonna wanna stick around for the coming weeks as we continue to show the progress and the work that he's doing to the bike. Nothing major, right? But certainly enough that's going to continue to, increase some of that horsepower and some of that torque that we all enjoy when we make these upgrades. So what I wanted to talk about now, real quick, why I made the decision to collaborate with Get Lowered. So before I tell you all these reasons, I pull up to get gas, and I'm just sitting here in the car, waiting for somebody to pump my gas, and nobody was coming. I completely forgot I'm still in Pennsylvania, and you got to pump your own gas in Pennsylvania. Yes, you do. All right, let's talk about why I decided to collaborate with Get Lowered. All right, so let me give you the top reasons why I made the decision to collaborate with Mike and Get Lowered. So number one, several of the guys that I ride with, part of the crew, have actually used Get Lowered in the past. And as a matter of fact, I think some of them might have even collaborated with Get Lowered in the past. You've got Barber CVO, Hudson Motor Visuals, just to name a few. And in every single scenario, they've absolutely loved the work, loved the experience, and have nothing but great things to say about Get Lowered. Number two, if you follow their Instagram account, you can see that one, they're consistently busy, and they produce some awesome upgrades and work on the bikes. I think just about every job that they do, they feature it on their Instagram account. I just love the way the work looks. I've heard nothing but great things from those clients that have had their bikes worked on from Get Lowered. You can see it all in the comments. And I just think it says a lot about a company that's willing to not only showcase the work, but also include the client as part of the thread. And you can tell that the overall commitment to excellence is absolutely there. And number three, and probably the most important reason why I made the decision to collaborate, is because for the last year and a half, I've been messaging back and forth with Mike. Prior to today, we had never met face to face. It has all been via Instagram and or messages and phone calls. And I've had a lot of questions for Mike over the last year and a half or so. And throughout the entire process, talk about responsive, talk about great service, talk about a commitment to a potential client. Mike had demonstrated that, frankly, throughout the entire process. For that reason alone, wow, look at that sun. For that reason alone, frankly, he deserves my business, and more than anything else, my ultimate decision to collaborate with him on this work. And but that commitment to service excellence, I think, is differentiated. And I have dealt with many others, and some of them are good, not to say anything, but some of them just lack this overall commitment to service excellence that I think is demonstrated certainly in every interaction that Mike has had with me up to this point. And even after dropping off the bike and checking out the shop and the way that the shop looks, I think overall, that sort of commitment to excellence, I think, was very important in my decision to collaborate with Mike. So there you have it. Those are my top three reasons, with one that's really important, which is really this notion of commitment to excellence. I'm sure many of you appreciate that. Let me know down in the comments what you think. So look, like I share with you, I'm super excited that Mike is going to be working on the bike. I'm going to keep you posted here on the channel on the progress, and also on my Instagram account. Make sure you give me a follow there, Flying Ride 15, just like it is here on YouTube. So do me a favor, if you like this video, hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. Would love to have you as the channel continues to grow. And hit that bell notification so you can be reminded of content like this one in the future. And also, don't forget, in next week's video, I'm going to share with you yet another surprise, and I'm going to do it via Premiere. So stay tuned to my Instagram account. Also here to YouTube, I'll update the details there. You're not going to want to miss the next surprise that I have for all of you. I'm super excited to share it with all of you. So thanks for watching.